China just released a new AI model. Qwen3 from Alibaba just got released and it's a new very small model, 30 billion total parameters, 3 billion only activated parameters. It's a non-thinking model and it's approaching the performance of GPT-4o. You can test it out right now on Qwen chat completely for free. Make sure to select Qwen3-30B with 2507 hashcode, no thinking, because this is a non-thinking model. And guys, let's see how good it is. This model has enhanced reasoning, coding and math skills. It's also better at multilingual knowledge. Also, it has better long context understanding and it's better aligned. This is pretty incredible as this model is super small. So this red line is the new model. The blue line is the previous model that it replaces. Here we can see the big non-thinking model of the previous generation they've released. And we can also compare against Gemini 2.5 Plus on the non-thinking version and GPT-4o. So guys, this model is actually beating Gemini 2.5 Plus in 3 of the benchmarks. It matches it on one and it loses just on one of them. This is pretty incredible. Also, it's a significant improvement towards the previous 2 models that Qwen has released. Even the bigger one, this is a considerable jump in small model performance, and it also outperforms GPT-4o, which is pretty unexpected. Just want to stress, this is a non-thinking model, and this is just a new improvement slash release. So if we try to see the whole performance on all of the benchmarks, here we can see it compared with DeepSeek V3, Gemini 2.5 Plus and GPT-4o. It does a very good job to catch up with DeepSeek V3, which is a non-thinking model. Actually, it outperforms it on reasoning. And also it's doing a tremendous job on coding, on alignment. Also, it's one of the best models. On agentic tasks, it's also quite comparable with the competition, and on multilingual data, it's also improved. So guys, this is pretty incredible. This is an insane release. If you watch how the previous model of the same dimension was budgeted at, it was super cheap. Guys, it's less than 1 cent per million token input and around 30 cents per million token output. You can see here all of the previous providers. This is on Open Router. It's not yet updated. We will have to wait for the new providers. But given that the model size is not bigger, it's exactly the same size, we can expect similar, if not even better pricing than this one. This is literally what we have been discussing. Compute too cheap to meter. So of course, you won't be using this model for a million tasks. You are going to be using it for simple tasks, or for tasks that you want the model to do all the time. So you have very small cost, but very good capabilities. I actually think that this is probably the best small model that we have ever seen by quite a mile. DeepSeek V3 is a lot bigger, GPT-4o a lot bigger, even Gemini 2.5 Plus is probably a lot bigger, and the previous 2 Qwen models were also quite big compared to this one. Or the previous one, it was very small, non-thinking, but they improved it so much, literally nearly 2 times on a lot of benchmarks and at least 10 to 20% on the already a little bit saturated data. So I find this super incredible and we're going to test it out right now. We're not going to be wasting any more time. If you already have not understand what is happening, AI is taking over, and now is the time to start learning how to leverage AI tools for coding, image generation, video generation, and automations. You don't want to be left behind. The revolution is right here. It's not even beginning, it's at its mid phase, and in 6 months, 12 months, we're going to see a lot of jobs getting lost because they will be replaced by AI. So guys, it's time to take advantage of this. It's time to position correctly. Learn how to be more productive and make more money than ever with AI right now. So I have a course for you, very cheap one. You will find it down below in the description on the first link. So we're going to try it out on coding tasks. We're going to be creating a Flappy Bird game. So let's try it out. Let's give it a look. Let's see, can this model actually perform? Can this actually do a good job? I really hope it does. So we're already getting the response. We can see that the model is super fast. And again, don't forget, this is from the Qwen infrastructure, which is not the best one out there. We have to understand if these Chinese labs open source amazing cheap models. This is what they have been doing in the past 7 to 10 days. They have been pushing out such amazing, such incredible open source cheap models to use. And you know, America is not catching up. America AI companies are sleeping right now. This is one of the most insane things we're seeing on this race for AGI. So let's see the game. So this is the Flappy Bird game, and I have to say, the controls are quite good. The design, not amazing, but I would say the controls are actually fine. Game's a little hard, but you know, for such a small and cheap model and fast model, I would say this is fine. So we're going to open up a new chat, a new request. Build an interactive Pokemon Pokedex website featuring the first 50 Pokemons. Let's try it out, let's give it a check, let's see if it can actually do it. So guys, this is, for me, in my opinion, this is one of the most amazing things I ever seen from AI. Like China, the leaps in performance it has done in the previous 1 week is something incredible. For me, it's even bigger than Grok 4 and potentially GPT-5. Again, we have to understand that these models that China has put out are not yet agentic. We can expect an even bigger performance jump when these models turn completely agentic. Don't forget that. Keep it in your minds, guys. It's going to be incredible. It's going to be absolutely insane. So this model is fast, even though it runs on old hardware. And you can use it, as I've said, completely for free on chat.qwen.ai. I really want you to test it out and tell me your opinion about it. This prompt that I have given it right now, it's not an easy prompt, but if it's able to, you know, do a good job on it, come close to what we have seen from other models, this is going to be a game changer. Because guys, in a couple of months, you will be able to buy a GPU from NVIDIA and fit this whole model over there and inference it locally on your computer. Until then, they will probably have released their newer, even better model that's going to be surpassing probably the big models right now. So you will have a model that runs completely for free on your hardware, being very, very capable as the latest best models. And if it's agentic, oh bro, you are going to be running AGI on consumer hardware. Oh my god, this is insane. Oh my god, I cannot... Whoa, bro. Guys, this is the best Pokedex result I have ever seen. This beats Lovable. This is... Oh my god. I don't know, they probably have trained on this kind of thing. I cannot believe what I'm seeing, guys. This is the best, one of the best websites I have ever seen. One of the best websites I have ever seen from AI. Oh my god. It gives you the stats. Guys, I cannot believe it. What have they done? What have these Chinese guys have done? Oh my god. I'm going to ask it to create an SEO transformer page. They cannot possibly solve this request. I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. This is very unexpected for me. Really guys, I'm honestly shocked about the result I'm seeing. Oh my god, this is a very small model, guys. It's 3 billion active parameters, 30 billion in total. This is one of the smallest models we have ever seen. It's open source, super capable. Oh my god. Guys, it's beating Lovable AI agent. It's beating the latest model GLM 4.5, which is beating Sonnet. This is something that I have never seen before. I really need to screenshot this. Oh my god, I cannot believe this. I cannot believe this, guys. I have to make a Twitter post. Like, this is... I'm honestly shocked. I'm not even joking at this point. This is insane. Oh my god. I'm going to tag the Chinese guy. I mean, this is insane. How is he called? Bini? I'm going to tag them. Look at this. For real, this is insane. This is insane, guys. This is the most insane thing I have ever seen. Okay, let's give this a try. Let's take this code here and try to run it on LiveWeb. I really hope it's going to run. So let's try it out. This is the Transformer teaching webpage. It looks good. It has information, animations. Oh my god. They really have solved web development. Guys, this is an incredible result. Oh my god. This model is no joke. In all honesty, this model is no joke at all. This is really an incredible model. I really don't know what to tell you guys. This is great. Guys, I cannot believe it. Oh my god. Guys, I've got nothing to say to you. Go to Qwen chat, try this model out. I really don't know what else to tell you. It's insane. It's incredible. Well done to the Chinese guys over there. They've created a tremendous model.